All right, gents, here we go. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I just finished a complete head cleanup. Ears, nose, chin, beard, sideburns, ear hair, nose hair. Previous video, check it out. We'll put a link up here. You can look at it. Now we're going to color this beard. We're going to make it so it matches this. I'll use this, which is simpler hair color. Here's the package it comes in. As you can see, it's addressed Attention Geo, Shave Nation. Let's open this up. Here we go. Really nice bag that you could probably use for other things. Let's see everything that's in the bag. Here we go. Reusable gloves. Cleansing wipe for afterwards. If you get some the colorant on your skin, you could wipe it off with a cleansing wipe. A brush with long prongs. Another brush with short prongs. Instruction sheet. A fine detailing brush. Stain guard. This is a petroleum jelly that you will just apply to the perimeter of your hairline so that if the colorant gets on your skin, it won't stain it. You want to be careful not to get this in the hair because the area where you get petroleum jelly, it will not take color. It won't accept the color. So just be careful to outline when you apply that. Last but not least, simpler hair color. And my color is dark brown. That's what I'm going to use today. And this nice little drawstring bag, when you're all done, you can put everything back in here and you can use this to store other things later on. All right, here we go. First step. You can open up the gloves, but I'm not going to because I feel that the petroleum jelly, I can line it up better with my fingers. So I'm just going to rip this open and I'm going to just apply it just around the beard area, just in case I get careless. And you don't need a lot. This is a nice protectant. Just take care not to get it into the hair itself. Okay, good. Now you may want to put the gloves on. Let's see how they fit. Hopefully they fit tight. If they fit tight, that's good. Oh yeah, they fit tight. That's great. My hand size is extra large, so they definitely fit tight. This is just so you don't get the colorant on your hands. You can do this on your entire head of hair, but I'm not doing that today. I'm just doing the beard area. So this is very simple. Let me say this first before you use the product. You want to do the allergy test. It's in the instruction booklet. So read that first page right there, sensitivity test, and do what it says. I've already done it and I'm good to go. So the first thing you're supposed to do according to the book, apply the stain guard, which we just did, put the gloves on. Now we dispense, remove the cap and fully press the button to dispense one layer of both creams onto half the brush. I think I'm gonna start out with this short brush because I'm not doing thick hair. I'm just doing the beard area. I think that will be great. Remove the cap. Just dispense some of it directly in to the brush. So you got the white portion and the black portion or the brown portion and they mix together automatically when they come out. I'll just start applying that. And the most resistant areas, so the grayest area, you want to start there. Brush it on. You can see it looks reddish, but I'm sure that will change. Right now the bottom matches the top a little bit better. Let's do a little bit more, not much. Just a little bit. Cover this upper area. And I'm really using the tip, like the upper portion, to keep it neat. I've got a little area right here where it hasn't grown in as much yet, but that will catch up. Just make sure you cover the entire area so you don't wind up with any gray spots. Okay, I think that does it. So here's what the brush looks like. I still have some left on there, but I think I've covered it sufficiently. And what I'm going to do is I will open the cleansing wipe right now because I see I got a little bit on my skin. So let's remove that. Just right up here. Good. There you go. A little bit more right here. Wipe and wait. Wipe off any dye on the skin using the included wipe, which I just did. Leave-in times for each color are on the following pages. So again, seems to me almost every color is 20 minutes. You can go 30 to 35 if you have very resistant grays, but I think I'm going to go 20. So brown, black, dark brown, and I'm dark brown. It says we recommend a 20-minute leave-in time. You can adjust this to go lighter, less time, or darker, more time, as shown. When it's time to rinse, it says rinse hair thoroughly with warm water until water runs clear. Keep dye away from your eyes. That's common sense. Shampoo and condition, preferably using a color extending or color safe formula. In this bottle here, it says the number of uses, about 4 or more, depending on the amount of hair, beard, or grays. If you're just doing your beard like I am, you can probably get more than 4 or 5 uses out of this. This seems still very full. The color is permanent. It won't wash away, so you're good until the new hair grows out. Since we're killing 20 minutes here, I'll read this to you. We are committed to never using harmful ingredients like PPD, ammonia, parabens, lead acetate, or animal testing and cruelty. Offering the highest quality products, providing the best customer service, including hassle-free returns. Simpler hair color. Valentine's Day is coming, so you want to look good for your significant other. You want to look fresh. 17 minutes to go. You can see it's getting darker. You can go do some push-ups, some body squats, whatever. Go play on the computer, whatever it takes. I'll see you back here in about 16 minutes. While you're waiting, you can clean the brush and clean the dispenser as well. Clean it up so it doesn't clog. You'll be all set for next time. Clean the brush. I have a little bristle brush that I use for cleaning my razors. I'll use this to clean this brush. 2 brushes just helping each other out. I'll scratch your back, you scratch mine. There we go, good as new. Dry everything off, recap it, store it away for next time, back in the bag. 20 minutes are up, I'm shampooing it, and then we'll see what it looks like. Head & Shoulders Supreme Color Protect Shampoo and Conditioner. Leave the gloves on for the shampooing because you're touching the colorant. Let's see what it looks like. Dry everything up. So we went from almost total gray down here to very dark. My beard hasn't been growing in that long. These areas will fill in and it would be much more uniform. As you can see, it is much darker now than it was. This was all gray before. So the simpler hair color really does work. I think we can remove the gloves now. If you want to try the simpler hair color for yourself, just click down below the video. We'll have some links down there. If you use my coupon code GEFA1020, GEFA1020 at checkout, you'll save 10% on a one-time purchase or 20% on a membership purchase. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.